Alrighty, I think I'm streaming. Let's see. Hopefully. Basically today, well, it's not the 22nd. 22nd was the last time I streamed. 3 days ago. Wow. Yeah. So, there's a couple things that I've had to fix, or I'm trying to fix with the game. If we load in right now. So, these platforms are now buttons, which you step on to purchase. I must not have enough for this one. I've got to format the prices. Yeah. So they're buttons now. These all work. I added a couple more upgrades for these. One for 50 mil. A couple more upgrades for enemies. And, yeah. So... Alright, yeah. Bit of monetization. So this guy here needs to be timed. So we'll put a time underneath, and when you click it, it doesn't prompt, but it opens up a little menu showing what you get from the starter pack. So I'll do that. Right, index. I had to fix a whole bunch of stuff, and there's probably still a whole bunch of issues. Awards don't look overly great at the moment. We've got to actually add what they give you there. I don't know if... Oh yeah, the wheel I think was what I was doing last time. But this took ages, and it's not even fully done yet. Yeah, spin the wheel. Kind of works. So yeah, it's just sort of tying up a whole bunch of loose... Oh, you're here, Cooper. Hello. I wish I could hurry up. There's just so many new things I have to change so that the game actually becomes successful. So let's switch back over to here. Okay. Now, where did I have the, it's not top bar. HUD monetization. Okay. So, this is going to need some more data, like purchased starter pack odds. Let's say 10 times 60, so you have 10 minutes to buy the starter pack. When that runs out, you can't buy the starter pack anymore. So let's go. Yeah. We can get local time left. Oh. What'd I call it again? Starter pack timer. Does it say time? If we got a comfortable, time left. One. At the max, I think it would be this, 0, so it never goes below 0. We're gonna get scope as well. Let's get some more light in here. Alright. So. This is... Okay, that's actually really annoying, that bright light. That should be fine. We can just scope value what this returns. And let's go. Let's register this UI after we pass through. Time left. Now I'm gonna take another look at a different game. Alright. Let's see, what other games could I try? What game is like close enough to mine that it would make sense to try? I'm just gonna put like a timer underneath then, I guess. Underneath the price. And we can just silence that. Let's go initialize. Text label. I'm gonna say, fusion.value number. Copy, paste. Time equals use, time left. Time. don't need a gradient, and we can probably make it a tiny bit smaller. Okay, maybe not that small, maybe 0.3. 1.2 maybe. Let's see. Okay, I missed something. Why can't I see it? That connects to this. Does it not? Oh, animated button. I see. I think that means that... Wait, these are children of animated button. Wait, I'm confused. I don't see anything wrong. What? Expected to close at line 66. Line 66. Okay, so for some reason this isn't closing. Oh, I see. Don't know how that got there. Oh, probably from deleting the children, actually. Okay. Now there's a timer counting down. It needs to be moved a tiny bit more down. I'd say 0.3. Okay, where's the click? Here. I should hopefully be opening, or like, initializing this after shop, so that maybe I can go to shop service. Client, no, shop service, shop initialize, self dot shop position equals scope value. Where does it take? What does it take? Let's take a look at a scrolling frame really quick. Scrolling frame. Canvas position. Is that a vector 2? Or I think that's just a vector 2. Okay. Canvas position equals self dot shop position. Now shop dot visible set true. Canvas position shop position set. I'm fairly sure the button is just at the top, so we do that. I might need to get the camera client thing and open and close it as well. Yeah. Okay. It's not changing where the canvas goes for some reason. It seemed to work like once, and now it's not working for some reason. I'm guessing it's because it's already equal to the same value. So, you know, at this point, it doesn't matter. Let's see what what happens here. Ooh. Yup. It works now. Alright. Now we just need the camera to obscure when it opens. Camera client, obscure view, quick equals true. Okay. Now I need a timer up in the corner, I guess, on here as well. Server.lua. This is going to actually count down that time at like value, so it goes down when the player leaves, or okay, not when the player leaves, because if somebody requests to purchase a starter pack, it should get their time left. So well, I didn't really think I'm gonna need a networker for all that. maybe when like function dot server dot player added self server player no. Connections equals. Let's go with the user ID to a IBX script connection. No, it'll be a thread more likely. Yeah, task.spawn function. Well, true. No, well, task. There. This is done server. What's it gonna be called? Starter back time. Action V. Return V. Dot max. Nice. I feel kind of small down here. Okay. Let's switch it. No, it's already switched over. No, I'll switch it back over to here. So go to self.play connections. Then we can disconnect that task or cancel it when the player leaves. Whoa. Nice, and I think I can just set it to nil as well. Okay, let's initialize it. Monetization server, player added, and player removed. Okay. I don't think I'm initializing it neither. Hardmon initialize. Okay. Let's go to shop. Where is HUD monetization being initialized? Okay, it's being initialized before the shop, but the shop is still being able to open from here, so I feel like I've got some bad code going on. I'm just gonna say self.time left. Let's go 10 times 60. Starter pack. Time left equals after time left. Let's go to starter pack. Time left. Agent up out here. Number. Where's the text for you? Header. Let's copy header. Paste. Time left. Point to the right. Position equals new. 1,0,0,1, and I'm guessing we can go -10 here. Text equals time left. Okay. Nice. Right, how do I get my auto thing not to add A0 and A1 and stuff? It's very annoying. Perhaps down left. Nice. Okay, now I don't think this is going to work, because I'm directly calling the shop in the initializing. Or? Okay, why isn't it showing up though? Is it in the table of stuff? Oh, I bet it's its anchor point. I bet I forgot to change the anchor point. Shop, scrolling frame, starter pack, time left, yeah. So if we switch its anchor point, okay, forgot to format the time, but it works. Nice. Let's hide this and go back. Yeah. Format time. Time left and anchor point. Alright. So that goes away when the time is done, and I'll just copy the same logic here. Stick it over here. in it. What is visible? Did I switch it? Yeah, I did. I'm on Roblox Studio right now. I don't like where this anchor point is for the button. Let's just set that down. Where's its position? Set that to more like a 200 here. Yeah, it's a bit nicer. We should probably add a title for the thing. And the spinning wheel we've also got to work on. Where is it? What's a spin wheel service client? What else? That's weird. Yeah. Huh. For some reason, putting glass up to your face like that fully makes your hearing go away. Oh. I think I just got coffee on my face anyway. Spin wheel HUD is the root of the issue. From scale, I'm gonna just eyeball it. Say like 0.8 or something. Okay. These guys need fixing as well. Not one, -1. This one has to do the same. Nice. Alright, let's see. Does this work? Whoa. And if I move it, it should stay in that same place. Yeah. Now it's just sort of guessing how far across I want it. I'd say maybe 6.5. 0.65. What is it? 0.8. Okay, maybe. Wait, let's try 7. If 7 doesn't look good, then we'll. Exactly, 7's it. Yeah, 7 is literally on the money. On the money. 8 thing. Cool. And I also feel like it's kind of far down though, the spinning wheel. Maybe I should shift it up. Same with the button at the bottom. Let's go. Is the spinning wheel logic, by the way, which I rage quit last time I was streaming because I couldn't figure it out. I think. I can't recall what happened, but I remember getting very annoyed. And here's reward slices, which I probably could have done a less annoying or silly way like that. Where's position? Frame. Animated button. Right. Yeah. Well, I'm guessing I don't have anchor point on it. I'll say like -0.2 maybe. And then we can move the button up as well. Just go 0. It's gonna yell at me, but that's fine. We'll see. Okay, 2 is too far, and I bet 1 is a way to go. This looks good where it is, so I'm gonna from scale it. These offline rewards are annoying. That's good. Oh, it's good enough for me at least. Okay, we need monetization here as well. And this guy's going down, which is good. Yeah, we've really got to convert them with that, so let's figure out our pricing as well. I'm guessing starter pack is going to be my converting item, hopefully. Do I need to create game passes? Because, like, they wouldn't be terribly difficult to do, and I could do some that would just convert them if I make them really cheap. And I have to think about it. Oh, man. What do I do here? We copy and paste. How do you make it smaller? I'm guessing it's like just dividing it by a number. 1.1. Rebirth UI. No. Let's go currency UI. This is a terrible way of doing all of this, but I don't mind. We can will survive. Anchor point, position. Okay, from offset, we'll go this, maybe negative 320. Negative 20. Oh. This should just put it to the left and a bit up. Hopefully not too drastic though. Yeah. That's pretty good. Maybe a bit more up would be good, and a tiny bit smaller. Where's the buy? In here. Buy 3 rolls. Minus 30. And this guy can be by 10 rolls. Not minus here. I don't know how that works. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at my fishing brain rots and see what theirs look like. Because I've got to show the price as well, I'm fairly sure. Oh, they're having some sort of update right now, I guess, because there's about 100,000 players online. That's gross. There's no way they can have that many players. That's illegal. Okay. So this is just showing the price of the spins in the icon. And the free spin up the top. Let's make the player walk a bit faster, because I really like that in their game. Start a player. Walk speed equals 24. It's not doubling, but it's giving it a significant boost. Okay. It also still feels kind of slow. Should I make it a bit quicker than that? Uh, 16 is the start. I think it's probably fine. Alrighty, go back over here. Cool. don't know what to do. I guess I should make the actual passes a developer product right now. Roblox. The My Fishing Brain Rots did 39 Robux for 3.99 for 10. I'm gonna do like 14 Robux for 3 and nah, maybe not. I'll just do the same as them. Because clearly they know what they're doing. Buy 3 spins. 39 Robux. No regional pricing. That never works. 99. No. Buy 10 spins. 99 Robux. Okay. Oh, I just clicked on analytics. Nice. How do I switch it over? Oh no, here they are. Okay, now I need to register these IDs as well. Spin product IDs. Not return. Buy 3 spins equals buy 10 spins. Man, I cannot type. No, I did them round. Wait. Yeah, I got them round the wrong way. Buy 3 spins, buy 10 spins. Okay, now we should register these. No. Spin register IDs. Spin product IDs. Buy 3 equals spins equals 3. Wow. Okay, I'm like triple typing right now. Okay. Server. Monetization service. Register IDs. IDs equals my register IDs. Branch. Man, I gotta come up with a better workflow than this. Spin wheel. I mean, it works, it's just not amazing. Product purchase. Connect function. Okay, we don't need extra info, we do need reward info. Obviously need the player. And we do need the branch. If branch equals branch, then dot spins. We go data service update player spins function amount return amount plus reward info dot spins. And if I end up adding any more stuff to the register IDs, I can just sort of change that. Right, we've got to make the buttons actually get the info. Local price 1 equals scope value 0. Price 2 scope value 0. Spawn function. Right. Alright. Price 1 dot set monetization client get product spin product IDs dot by 3 set monetization nice. I'm just setting it to the same thing. Whoops. Where's my two? Where are they? Here. This autofill is really annoying me. I don't understand why it does this. Local price, no, yeah. Price 1 return UTF-8 dot. I've forgotten it again. Robux button 0xe002. We could go over here, monetization client, prompt, product, product IDs, done by 3. By 10. Alright. What am I looking for? Oh, right. Over here. Nice. They just swapped around. We need the text at the bottom as well. Ooh. 10,000's pretty good. What am I gonna get? Ooh. I'm gonna add more like clicking sounds and stuff. By 99. Okay. They're gonna have how many they are giving at the bottom as a text label. Next label. X spins. The Y should be more like a 0.3 really. Position 1.175 maybe. 1.15. I'll try that. See how this looks. Okay, it's kind of small, but it's in the right spot. And I don't really care that it's small. Okay, well, I must care a tiny bit to be changing it a bit, but oh well. Now it's time to copy this. Three X spins. Okay. Position negative, and this guy's positive. Nice. That looks pretty nice, I'd say. And we're going to add a 1 free spin in X amount of time. Oh. Oh, right. I'm setting it to 0 and never doing data service get at the start. That's my bad. Oh, 10,000. I'm tired. Alright. What do I have to do? Right. Let's get this wheel out of the way, done, never have to look at it again. Let's just get it done. So, this guy, where's it? Self-touch spins, 0, not good enough. Data service. Oh man. Oh, what is this? Ugh. Disgusting code. Get spins. Self-touch spins, where am I registering my UI? Here. Not good enough. I'm gonna pass through self-touch spins to the HUD as well. To the HUD. To the I don't know what HUD stands for. Or always HUN display. What am I doing? Fusion.value number. Okay, where's the button? Here. I'm not gonna have it be a child of the button. I'm just gonna put it in the same area as the button. Let's copy, let's get rid of this, and let's get rid of that. Well, not position though. Although this could be set to like 0.75 maybe. No image. This can be switched out for text. It says anonymous field. What does that mean? Is that what the A stand for? Anonymous? Local C spins for like current spins. I can't be bothered spelling current right now. Spins. What am I doing? What am I doing? Because use spins. If C spins. Wait, no. Just return X. Oh no. C spins. Okay. Alright, let's take a gander at this. That's not exactly what I was going for. But I mean, it's close enough. I shouldn't be mad at that. Kind of makes sense that it's there as well. Because the actual frame ends basically on that line that it's on. So I'm setting it to 1.2, see how that goes. Okay. Might need to be a tiny bit more than 1.2, but it's actually pretty close. Let's see. Yeah. 1.4. I bet it's like 1.5 is 1.5 is basically right on the end of the thing, which is kind of where I want it to be, but I'll try 1.4. Oh, that's good. That's perfect. Nice. What else? No, this is about to run out. I can test this. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It disappeared. No, it's all gone. Never to be seen again. It's quite sad. But yeah. I guess that works then. Alright. What did I say? What was I doing? Improving onboarding, better monetization, and finishing the game. Okay, I gotta look at what my investor told me to do really quickly. Messages failed to load. Great. Am I out of internet? Don't think so. I've actually never seen that on Discord before. Okay. Better UX. Oh yeah, escape rewards. And then into more mutations, then more flash. An improved index rewards. There's onboarding, but I think just notifications will be enough. And on the rewards button as well, yes. Then you get their first reward decently quick within the first few minutes, so they know to use the index button. So that means I should probably also do basic rewards as well for like collecting 5 basic types of towers. Okay. The issue is going to be bug testing all that new stuff I added to making the buttons work. That's going to be a nightmare. Because it's absolute spaghetti. That code is actually spaghetti. Like, if you had spaghetti code, this is like spaghettified spaghetti code. Because I had to go back and edit what I already had. And what I already had wasn't even great. So. You can probably tell I'm procrastinating right now. I don't know what to do. Well, I know what to do. I just don't want to do it. What is it again? Exit rewards. Alright, I'm gonna go fill up on more coffee. I'm gonna, make a whole new thing of coffee. And then I'll do exit rewards. And I'm gonna try and get some friends to playtest again. So I should switch this back over to here. And just add a comment somewhere in the code saying I'm AFK. AFK, getting more coffee. Okay. Let's do that. Ciao, ciao. I'll be right back. think we're back. Alright. So, I made my coffee. Which means it's time to do exit rewards. Let's go. Basically, if you don't know what an exit reward is or entails, an exit reward means basically whenever a player opens the exit menu, a pop-up will appear asking, like, basically begging them not to leave. Which is very ethical. Client and is not frowned upon within the Roblox community, actually. Everyone loves this. Basically, what's the UI gonna look like? What will the UI look like? I'm gonna go into Figma. I'm gonna check out a different game actually and see what the extra rewards looks like. I think Builder Zoo has exit rewards. Oh, maybe I have to complete the tutorial first. Buy better eggs to get better pets. Okay. Why is it not popping up? Okay. Build Zoo. Is this not the right game? That has to be the right game. What is your zoo? What's the difference? Because I know one of these games has a exit reward. Yeah, this is a completely different game. Oh no, I know this one. Just place it down. Unbox. Place. Unlock a shrine slot. Place shrines. Okay. So shrines is like a secondary kind of thing. Where do I find shrines? What? Is the owner on or something? I don't have it, I'm not showing my screen right now. It's a bit interesting. Where would you go? I guess he is then. Unlock 10 mil. 2 times cash. Bro, what is going on, man? Where is Rebirth shop? Okay, they've got a forever pack. Nice. Where's the shrines I'm looking for? Actually, oh, I found it. Wait! Take this. Take this free reward to help you progress. Wait, don't leave. Okay. Yoink. Let's paste that in here. What happens if I click claim? Okay, it just gives me an amethyst crate. 2000 extra luck. That's crazy as a free reward. I mean, I'm not sure how this game works though, so maybe that's like not that good. Okay. What are the kinds of people playing this game? Got Rainbow Cat. It's just a whole bunch of free-to-play looking players, but I guess that's what you're gonna find in most games. Okay. Let's create the UI. Whoa. Exit. Reward. Init. Return function. Let's go props. Let's just pass through some properties so that it so I can just change everything in the client. So like what? Visible fusion dot value boolean. Yeah, let's do this. We're gonna go new file. So, let's just do the logic first. Local server, because I'm not a big fan of UI. Type of server, function server.init self server. Self.rewards claimed. Claimed rewards equals, it's gonna be the player's ID to a boolean. Functions don't play at self server. Right. Self.claimed rewards player user ID. Wow, okay. But good, I'm not passing through the player. Player.user ID equals false. Function server.claim reward. Player self rewards user ID equals true. Oh, if equals false, then return end. Let's go modules and just make like a module full of... Maybe I should just give them a nice crate. Like a flaming crate. Return. Okay, image equals type equals crate. Name equals flaming crate. Oh. What else? I don't even really need the image in here. So, but we'll just add it anyway. Crates. Nah, no image. No image. Mutation equals basic. Cool. Where am I? Here. Let's go. Data service. Data service dot server get play inventory inv inventory. Can we go data service set inventory unused index exit or info. Like that. Hopefully that works. Okay, now I need to design the actual UI. Blah. Okay, scale this button up. Should be a skinnier UI. Okay. An even smaller button. Something a bit like this. Okay. Text. Don't leave. Add a stroke, maybe 3. I can barely see it. Okay. Where's an exit button? Here we are. Put that on the corner. There is actually no point in having an exit button. The player should just click the claim button if they into the game, right? Which means I can have this text a bit bigger. I mean, if they're trying to exit the game and then there's a free reward, who's going to click the exit button? It's just a pointless addition to a UI. Take this free reward to help you progress. Okay. Scale it down. Now we have the crate image here. And then a big weight sign up the top. How do we do like all that rainbow colors that I know PetSim does quite often? I'll see if I join Pet Simulator, which has been a while, but I remember I was on like alts on the game ages ago, and if I went to try and leave, it would give the player some weird pack or something. Pet Simulator 99. Play. Alright. Click the skip button. Oh, login bonus, that's new. Click claim. Free rewards. The UI just feels really old now. But still probably a lot better than mine. Okay, now if I click the exit button, nothing happens. Man. Let's just get this normal UI in then, and we can figure out the details later. Return auto scaled frame equals exit reward. Size. Okay, how big do I have it in Figma? Basically 600 by 530, so background transparency 0.6. Children. Okay, now we're gonna need to get children's scope. Whoa. Okay. Equals fusion scoped. Children. Fusion children. Scope. Thickness 4. Border stroke Udem. That's wrong. Okay. The basics are laid out for the center. Now we're gonna do the big wait sign, or like the don't leave. No, text label. Data from scale, basically 1, 0.3. From scale 0.5, really 0. Text equals don't leave. I don't think I need that little exclamation mark. Thickness equals maybe, I don't know, 5. Let's do animated button size from offset 27579. 27579. Combine vector data 0.5 position. Data from scale. I think maybe 0.8 makes sense. I don't know. 8.3. I've got no clue. Why does it keep bringing up the settings? Image ID dot rebirth UI dot rebirth button. Children, text label size, data from scale. Text equals claim. Okay, what am I doing? I don't know how I keep managing to open. It's like when I'm pressing control shift sideways. Man, I've got no clue what's going on. Oh well. Activated equals function. We can probably pass through activated here. Okay, that was not worth 3 sideways things. I lightly tapped the button. Press activated. Great, I've got that in the wrong spot. Let's initialize. Exit reward client. Init. It's not showing up because I haven't actually started on the client yet. Man. I think that's messing me up. Something's making me type slower. I bet it's a cut on my fingy. So, client. Exit Reward service. Okay. Just whacked my microphone again. I really don't have much time to create this game list. Like, I feel like I've got to just sort of get it done, which is really annoying because I'm having a bit of difficulty. Okay. Like, I wish I could just sort of take a break, but I don't think I can. And that's not the winning mentality. Visible. Activated equals function self.network fire. Claim rewards. Should make the networker in here as well. Exit reward. Ugh. Okay. Now how do I like check if the player opens the exit menu? Check if player opens escape menu. Roblox. Post 2. GUI service. Menu is open. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a connection or like a signal of some kind, like menu opened. Is that not a thing? Oh, it might be methods. Oh no, here, menu closed, menu open. Nice. GUI service dot menu opened, connect function. We don't need all that gobbledygook that comes with it. Self.visible set true. Okay, we won't set it to true every time though, actually. We've got to check if the player has already claimed their reward. Connect function. Visible set false. Okay. What am I streaming? This. Okay. I forgot to set the visibility and the position. That's great. Where would that be? Not viewport model, self.visible. Position, you do it from scale. Should I play like a siren effect as well? That'd be extra mean if I did that. I probably won't, but this can come down even further actually. Like, some 5 really. Alright, let's test it out. Of course I haven't set the date, the anchor point. Man, I thought it did that automatically, but like I guess the logic's there and it... Okay. And it shouldn't disappear when the player exits the menu, I forgot. Where is it? Yeah. The player actually has to claim that reward. Setting. If claimed. Not day of service. Why am I not getting intelligence? Well, we should add this into the allowed. Return self-claimed rewards. User ID. Wow. It's not helping that it's like a really hot day as well. It's just extra frustrating to try and get this done. But we're almost there, hopefully. Let's test it out. Wait, no, I didn't set the anchor point. Okay. Now let's test. Alright. Open the menu. Wait, don't leave. Don't leave. There'll be a big box here of whatever you can get and stuff. Claim. I don't think it gave it to me, but it shouldn't. Okay, so it didn't manage to claim. Because I'm a genius. If the player has claimed the reward, if they haven't played it, then it returned ends. Genius, genius. Alright, don't leave. Claim. There we go. That's what I wanted. We're so close to being done, it's insane. We're just that tiny bit off. And it is very frustrating. Okay. Let's go. Bah! Let's copy all of this. Okay, what's this text say? Take this free reward to help you with your progress. Let's go. What am I streaming? No. Position 0.4. Actually, the anchor point kind of has to be 0. And then move it down by like, yeah, 0.1. Well, that's maybe too far as well. Let's put a nice gradient on it. I fully thought I had the fan on, but apparently I didn't. That's probably why I was boiling. What's a good gradient? Legendary. Alright. Now it's just sort of trial and error and see what looks good. Okay, something's holding up the code a tiny bit somewhere. Something's yielding, but I don't know what it is. Take this free reward to help with your progress. Okay, I kind of like this. There's just sort of it's too big of a text. Hang on. Yeah. It's almost good. It just needs a tiny bit of work. And we've got to actually add the crate. Okay. Its size. It should not be a 1. It should be more like an 8, really. Let's be honest. Scope new. Image label size. How big? I think I should go 200. Anchor point. where should it be on the y-axis? Maybe like a 0.67. I'm not laughing at my own joke. Let's switch it back over so you guys can see the code. I really want music on, but I've gotten so sick of music right now, or just the songs that I listen to, that there's no music I can listen to. So I'm just sort of sad. Background transparency equals 1. This is gonna look bad right now though, but hopefully it looks a tiny bit better than what I've already got down. There's nothing. Wow, let's go. Look at that. Absolute cinema. Okay, now we're gonna make these. Ooh, a diamond ultra shotgun. That's actually pretty nice. A good one. Okay. What am I doing? Five, 6, 7, 5. I mean 5, 7, 5. I just want it a tiny bit taller than it is right now, like higher. Right now it just feels too close to the claim button and too far away from the top text, and it's all ucky and yucky. Ookie. I can live with that. Don't leave. Take this free reward to help you progress. Yippee! Something failed in not mine, but Satchel's code, because I'm not seeing any of the numbers. Do I have to... Okay, I see. There was a super silly, like, error that happened when I rebirthed, but this means I need to reset my player's data. Reset data equals true. I'm going to delete my first data thing real quick. Three kilos. 3 kilobytes of data. How do I delete? Oh, wrong one. Mark for deletion. Marked. I marked it. Let's click play. Okay, let's see how the onboarding feels now. This is the first time with the cool new notifications for rebirth. Click spawn new crate. Hold E. Let's drag it over here. Okay, we've opened the turret crate. And now I need another thing on the tutorial to say spawn better crates to progress or whatever. Let's get another turret. Let's unlock here. I gotta save up now for an epic shotgun. Yeah, that's what I want, but I need some more funds to do it. Jump is... I don't think my cash potion actually works. Actually, no, that does. Damage potion doesn't actually work right now, so that would be slightly bad if I were to release that. Anyway, we got this. We buy a new plot, we place it down. 2 minutes is crazy long though. I'm gonna set that to like 30. Oh, it's a notification on the rebirth. We have all these things. We click rebirth. It gives us our stuff back, and now here's where the error happens. There's no error. Okay. Wait. Yeah, no error. That's interesting. We're about over here. Place. Still no error. It should really be like 3 for the first rebirth, 3 for the second, 3 for the third, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So 6 rebirths to start. Right. Oh, why'd that have a cool effect on it? Oh, it's raining. A new, this just started. Now I'm getting these. Nice. Hang on, AFK for 2 seconds. You can just watch this while I wait. I should be able to get a bit more done. Progress needs to be quicker. I'm so surprised that this error isn't happening. I don't know why. It just makes it more annoying. Because it happened once at one point and just isn't happening anymore, so... I don't know. What to work on. Okay. Where's rebirth service? Here. Let's just make these rebirths a lot easier so the player can sort of feel like they're progressing as quickly as possible. Let's just say it like this. Go one at a time, get the better thing over and over and over again. So, freeze ray. I think it's like a rocket launches next. Yeah, rocket launcher, and then it's a Tesla. Tesla? And then, I don't know. Let's copy this. Oh, that's it. 6 rebirths. let's take a look at the plot. So I think 4, 5, 6 rebirth. Number, they should be 1, 7, 8, 9 plus rebirth is 2, and I'm fairly sure these guys up here already have them. Or not. Never mind. That's not how I do them anymore, apparently. I think I did it a different way. Yeah, something a bit more like that, so you get 3 plots every time you rebirth. Alright, now we should go back to rebirth service. No. Nice. And let's just comment out 3 for now. Let's not commenting it out, that is. I mean 6. Alright. Let's play this again. Great, I forgot to move the plot back. That's amazing. I love doing that. Let's play. Click. E. Okay. Boom. Now I can rebirth. So that's a crazy, crazy quick rebirth, that. I could even set that to like 500. Boom. Okay. Buy the next plot. We can buy one of these guys again. Oh no. Almost there. Oh, that's one. Let's wait till they have the money, the funds. Les funds. Okay, let's buy. I really feel like this should be breaking in some way, because I did absolute spaghetti code to get this to work. Like, oh, I'm not streaming it. But the whole placing thing, this just doesn't seem to work properly. I already know this is way too long. This should be like 20 seconds, really. The 5k one. Having it be 2 minutes, nobody's waiting 2 minutes. Ah. And I got a legendary. That's not gonna let me rebirth. I got it twice in a row? That's unheard of. Oh. I skipped it. Come on, this has to be it. There we go. I can rebirth now. Okay, put everything back in my inventory. Do I have to rebirth while holding something, maybe? What's my next rebirth requirement? Okay, 10,000 cash and one of those orange crates, like these. And we get one. What was that weird double pop-up that happened? Okay, we purchase, we hold something maybe. It's not happening again, so I don't know. If someone... Did I buy an upgrade for these zombies at some point? I'm gonna review the stream, because it keeps happening. I must be, like, walking over it somehow. Did I walk over it here? I did. I fully did. Ah, okay. Yeah, basically because these are technically a descendant of the player, when... Oh, don't leave. I'll take that. When the player goes near this, not even touching it, jumping over, but equips something, and jumps over, and that touches it, then it counts, sadly. Yeah. So sad. It was a good thing that I figured that out, because I thought I had an issue with my upgrading system, but there's no error. No issue. Yeah, the game the progression's almost there. Some errors, nil index with update. Table clean. Player removed. Okay. I'm guessing that could be because... Oh, man, I don't know. Is it because I'm just doing pick up instead of clean as well? Bot service, block. Placing service client. Where is the difference? No, it's gonna be tower service. Wait. Okay, what happens here? Player removed. I need placing service. Player removed, V destroyed. Okay. So that destroys the models. Let's go over to done classes. Here. Clean and pick up. Pick up is just cleaning. So I don't know why I'd ever need to pick up. Okay. Oh, Alex Honnold is climbing right now? Wait, did he fail or something? Wait. Oh, did he just complete it? I can't see him. Oh, there he is. Oh. Right, he's cooking right now. Hang on. AFK real quick. Okay. I'm not gonna watch the entire Alex Honnold climb because I've got stuff to do. I've got to do this game and stuff. So, we've got block climb servers. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Do I just push this update, publish whatever I've got done, and get people to test it out. Okay, let's just publish this. Publish it. Stop saving. There we go. Publish to Roblox. Okay. Publish changed. Guys, please. Okay. I want my bug reports. I want my bugs reported. I want my bugs reported. Can I try testing here with a server and a client and try it too? Because I don't know why cleaning up is not working. It's like I'm cleaning up twice for stuff. Which I probably am in some places because of the silly rebirth system. Okay. We're in. And we're in. Both got the rain. Place. Okay. Okay, rebirthed. Now if I leave on this client, there's no error. Oh, I'm not cleaning up the buttons though. Buttons have not been cleaned up properly. Let's add another client in. How do I do that? So add one more client. Okay, here's where the bugs start rolling in. Core context groups. Okay, plays in. I can't see any bugs, like, except for the buttons not going away, which I knew would kind of happen. It's really annoying, because I can't see any bugs. Dude. Can somebody get me a bug? I know they're out there. I know there's so many bugs in my game, it's unfunny. It's not funny. I just don't know where. I should pull up the chat. I haven't seen chat in a while. Your channel. Nothing, chat. Nothing at all. Alright. Alright. Let's pull this plot out into the workspace. Let's go. Ladder rebirth equals 1, 2, 3. Everything that says rebirth equals 1 should be rebirth equals 3. So, this guy. Grass. Okay. This guy. Rebirth. Dude, I don't get it. What? Wait, has somebody actually bought something in the game already? Who bought something? Dude. I hope it actually worked. Okay, who bought skip weight 5 times? That's despicable. That's crazy. Wait. Oh no. My transactions, what's gone wrong? Purchases? No. Sales of goods? Oh, there's the investor. Okay, that's fine. Hopefully he doesn't matter that I might have just reset his data. Oops. Let's change this back to test. Play. Jeez. Okay, Rebirth. I need to display the rewards you get here, and I need to make that a bit nicer looking. Okay, so this is gonna be really annoying. Dude, that actually is so annoying. Okay. I'm gonna try and put on some music. Maybe that will make me a little bit more motivated. Let's put on a good song. Veridis Quo. This music is tough. Okay. What extension needs restart? It can do whatever it wants, man. Wow. This really is annoying me. Dude, what is wrong with low LSP? Inlay hint. Where can I find that then? Okay. Type, and then, whatever. This is a horrible way of doing it, man. I wish I could look away from my own code right now. Alright, let's just get it done then. Dude. Okay, let's silence this for now and just see what this looks like. Oh man. It's still going on, dude. Dude, why is it so annoying? Oh man. I disabled that. Oh, you can't even see the pop-up. There's a pop-up under my face that keeps showing up. What? No. I should swap this over to... At least I got the size all basically exactly correct, so... This is actually infuriating. Why is this happening? Fine. I'll turn on inlay hints. Or not. Do I have them disabled on workspace? Yeah. Do I need to reset my disable workspace, restart, enable workspace? Oh. I disabled notifications. Are people yelling about this in the OSS server? Surely. Maybe I have to reconnect it to its plugin or something. Man, I actually have no clue why it's doing this. I'm gonna move my webcam so you guys can realize that this is actually infuriating to work with. Anything I do, it yells at me. Ah. I'm tempted to have a third coffee, but I know it's probably not good. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, let's say like old bottom text equals, and we can make a new children. I guess this could be like a 0.3. I must be hungry or something, but I'm getting easily frustrated. No, not size, position. Let's just do from scale. Text. Do I have duration? I don't think I do on it. So, doesn't matter. I can always add it later. Was that it? No, that was it. Okay, let's take a bit of a look at those reward info. Because I never exported its type. So actually I've got no clue. Where is index? Where are my rewards? Where are my rewards? Here they are. Okay, time is an actual. That's it. That's gotta be it. That's all I need to do. that's it. Except for the fact that I actually have to make it them claim it. Oh man. Yeah, so the claim button actually does nothing right now. Okay. Okay, real quick. I'm gonna have some lunch. I'll be back. I'm back. Alright. So what am I doing? Right, I have to make these rewards actually reward the player. So that's the wrong thing. Alright. Let's do that. J. Ah. There. Now I guess I have to test this out. I'm gonna make a new index reward for just having 3 basic items. What should the icon be? I literally don't know. Doesn't matter right now though. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, that's one. Now we need 2 more basic. That would be another. I mean, these could give me the ultra if I get lucky. What was that? I just got like a crazy spurt of gold stuff. Wait, what am I streaming? I'm streaming the wrong thing. I should have... Oh. Recover. Alright. Okay, so I can rebirth. And I can claim this. Dude, why doesn't it work? Um... Alright, let's take a look at the code then. Alright, so it's, it's erroring or like not working here. Why? Oh. Okay, hopefully that was it. I thought that was it. I thought I was done. Network method reward claim does not exist. It's about to. I don't really see why I needed to fire back to the client or anything. this. Yeah, it's useless. Literally useless. Okay. Let's export a different button. Like a grayed out button if the player can't claim it or anything. So let's export. Can't claim. Copied the asset ID. What am I streaming? Okay. Shared UI modules, image IDs. Ah, no. Pressed control too early, I guess. Where's image IDs? No, where's rebirth frame, reward frame? I know. Okay, hang on. We go. If local amount, like I know it has, because use to Alright, let's try that. Let's see if that works. I mean, hang on, what am I streaming? Yeah. So that's what it looks like. I mean, that works. Hopefully. You know, like, it functions. Now we're gonna make the notification work. Okay. Where's sidebar? Equals prompts.notification. Am I passing through notification? Oh, I see. So man, dude, I've actually got no clue how to do this. Okay, how does claim work? Okay, it's claimed, and how is... What needed? Where's has amount? Props.amount. Where am I passing props.amount? Okay. Local. I'll do this. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Go show notification. Scope commute and use and for I don't know, I forgot how amounts are laid out. String value. Yeah, okay. Can I just set it to show in here? I highly doubt it, but hopefully. Okay. Let's go to where's startup server. Let me just clear it. Of course it doesn't work, man. Do I need to update one of these values, maybe? Okay. Dude. I am actually clueless. man. Is it because the index hasn't changed? Let's change the index. That's not going to change anything. Give me something new. That's the issue. Oh, man. I don't understand that issue. Bruh. Now it's not giving me my inventory? It can't reset my inventory, can it? What did I set my data to? Use markers false. Okay. Dude. I'm hoping that doesn't actually happen in the game. Because it doesn't give me any errors. I don't know what happens. I don't know what's wrong. Huh. Finally, dude. That's all I needed. Now I'm just gonna run that at the start as well. Or do I just not care about it? Yeah, I don't care that much. Now I'm just gonna add the little dot there as well. Dude. Alright. Switch it. Okay, how do I copy? Oh, that is in real life as well. That's it. I think that's it. Please be it. Just work. Let's get something new for the index. I'm not sure if this is very near this one, but no, it's not. I actually don't know why it's not working now. Wait, you guys can't see it. Look at that. But if I claim it, I don't think it's gonna go away. I should clean up the tower connections as well when they get picked up, I think. Alright, I'm taking a break. I've been streaming for however long. So yeah, I'll be back later. Bye.